talking about supermarkets. This one, I'm taking it to a new supermarket to market this product. That's what I'm talking about, promoting our business. So this is just like a practical thing. I had friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Virtue Otu, and on this channel I share videos of food business. I also share videos on NAFDAC registration. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. In today's video I'll be sharing with you some creative ways you can promote your business. Christmas is around the corner, and right now a lot of businesses have started promoting on social media, both offline and online. So I felt this topic is very much needed. So if you're thinking of how you can promote your business or market your food business this season to ensure that you're smiling to the bank, then you want to listen to some of these ideas. Okay, first of all, I need you to understand that as a business owner, a food business owner, if you don't market your products, if you don't promote your products, people won't get to know about this product. And of course, if people don't know about your product, people are not going to buy your product. So you have to understand that you must promote your product. And no one has ever succeeded in business being the best kept secret, of course, except it's a business whose business is about keeping secrets. And I know that your food business, whether you're into peanuts, plantain chips, chin, whatever your business you're doing, is for the public, right? Because you want to make sales, and of course ultimately you make profit. Basically you have to promote your business, let people know about that business. And I need you to also understand that there are two ways basically a business makes sales. Either one, you are attracting new clients to your business, or you are selling to an existing customer. For your business to succeed, you have to find ways of attracting new clients and ways of retaining the old clients that you already have. So basically, marketing is anything you do to get your products or services into the hands of customers out there. Anything you do to make your business, your food products, or whatever service you're rendering, anything you're doing to make sure that this business is visible, because the more visible your business is, the more people are likely to buy from you. So my top ways, these are some of the ways that I've also tried that has worked for me. I'm going to be sharing them with you right now. Number one would be word of mouth or referral. Basically, this one works so well because if you bake, let's say, a cake, or you do a particular job for a client and the client likes this job you have done for him or her, he or she may decide to refer you to another customer. You find out that you find people calling you, so person gave me your contact, okay, for your product. You find out that word of mouth referral is very powerful. So there are two sides to it. Word of mouth marketing, where you tell people about what you do, your products and services, wherever you go. Like the other day, when I went to take my pictures for my birthday, I talked to the photographer. Okay, this is what I do. Can we actually go into a form of collaborations? I'm into food business. This is what I do. These are the areas I cover and all that. Then also when I have any event, I can also pitch your business. And fine, he was like, okay, he's going to draft a proposal. So that's how it works basically. Word of mouth, tell people about what you do. Okay, and then when you do good jobs for people, always tell them, please refer me to other clients. This works so well because here you don't even need any proof anymore. Like, you don't need to prove yourself. It's a lot easier for people to refer you than to win new clients. What I mean is, if someone that has already tried your product refers you to someone else, it's easier for those people to buy from you. Here, you don't even need to prove yourself because someone has tried this product and is telling, a friend or a family member, this product is nice, this cake is nice, buy from her, this chin is nice, buy from her, this tiger nut juice is nice. Okay, so that would be my first tip for you this Christmas season. So as you go out for events, let people know what you do, and when you do jobs for people, also ask them for referrals. The next would be on social media, right? Basically, the best thing you have to do right now is to make sure that your social media pages, handles are fully optimized and they have the right keywords. What I mean is, if someone comes to, let's say, Asaba or Port Harcourt and types cakes in Asaba or cakes in Port Harcourt, does your business name show up? Search for when they come to Instagram, okay, to find a food vendor, what are they going to be searching for? They might be searching for things like bakers in Lagos. Okay, so make sure that you can be discovered or you're visible whenever they come for those searches. And make sure that your pages have pictures of your products. Okay, make sure that all your handles, Instagram, wherever you are on social media, that you have very good pictures of your product already there, so that when the clients come, they can see the quality of job you have done, and they don't have to just flip through and go to someone else. People's reviews and feedbacks about your products, a lot of things, nice things about your products, let the customers see, because these people that are searching in your page for the first time, so you have to make a very good first impression, and you already know about what they say about first impression matters, right? Next, under social media, you can also create an account on Google. Okay, it's called Google My Business. You can have a video on how you can get your business on Google. Okay, so that when people come to Google to search for food vendors close to me or food trays close to me, if you're within their area, your business name will pop up. That's a very good way to get clients. And I would also advise is for you to run paid adverts if you can, but you should, because it brings more customers to you. Please note, these customers that are coming may not buy the first time that you run this ad, but it registers in their head also that so businesses is, they can even save your contact, they can save you for a future event. So most times people run ads and it doesn't convert immediately. It doesn't mean that those customers will not buy from you in the future. Different customers are in different buying journeys. Okay, there are some that are ready to buy right now, some will buy later, some will buy even with you, some don't even know that they need this your product until you tell them more about your product, right? So that is why you can run sponsored ads on Facebook, Instagram, to bring more clients to know more about your product. Then another important way to advertise your product this period is to look for an influencer. There are different stages of influencing. There are smaller upcoming influencers, there are of course the middle ones, and then the ones that are up there with high prices and all that. So just look for an influencer who has the kind of audience, very important, please, who has your kind of audience, because every business has a particular target audience. Look for influencers that would help you influence that your yogurt, influence that your, for instance, what Rindioma is doing with Denim's yogurt. Okay, so if you don't know Rindioma, please just go to her page. She's doing so well. There are a lot of other influencers. Okay, so that's the name that just came to me right now. Just check what she's doing and see. You can't afford top influencers, look for the ones that you can afford. The truth about influencing is that you are trying to move into these people, the influencers, their audience, for them to even see more of your products, for them to know about your product, and of course in the future initiate a sale, okay, or initiate sales. Is joining groups. There are different groups in different locations. For instance, there's Asaba vendors group in Asaba. There is default culture group also in Asaba. There are different groups. These groups, they are just online groups. What we do in some of the groups I'm in is daily you post pictures of your products, right? Of what you do and your contact. Somehow you see people that will buy from you. I've also gotten contacts of cakes, okay? People that want to do cakes and all that. I have also sold through this group. Next, go for exhibitions. I know that attending exhibition or trade fair is a great way to get your business out there. I've been watching Niger Brand Chic trade fair. You see people selling out. People are seeing new customers. I understand that, just join the one you can afford that is in your stage or level, okay? Another thing that also works for me is visiting supermarkets. I was talking about supermarkets. This one, I'm taking it to a new supermarket to market this product. That's what I'm talking about, promoting our business. So this is just like a practical thing. I had a production today. I made some supplies to a supermarket about 4 buckets of this chin chin. So I took out these 2 to go and market. So this season, a lot of people will be thinking of what to chew. This is just a practical session, okay? So just go to a supermarket and tell them what you do, show them the product. Some of them will accept it and some of them will pay you in almost like, they might tell you, okay, to come back and take your payment maybe after a week, but you're just trying out this product, it's not bad. So try out supermarkets, try out pharmacies around you, depending on what you're selling. Just go out and market your product and promote your product. And I believe that practicing these things and also praying for God to help us this season, all of us will cash out this Christmas season. It's my desire that all of us will cash out. And then if this video was helpful to you, please share my videos, please subscribe. Thank you to everyone that's been watching my videos. I am most grateful. Please keep sharing my videos, like my videos, comment. I need to see your comments. How has my videos been helpful to you? And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. See you in my next video.